Hi guys, David from RV Wholesalers with another one of our Wish I Had Known videos. Today we're going to be talking about factory warranty. We have a lot of customers that call us and say, man, I don't understand. I got some things that need fixed and you guys are saying that they can't be fixed or they won't be covered or whatever. So we always like to try to explain to people that your warranty is a factory warranty. What does that mean? Well, if you buy a Thor unit, you have a Thor warranty. If you buy a Forest River unit, you have a Forest River warranty. If you buy a Nexus unit, you have a Nexus warranty. So what does that mean to you? It means that the factory is in charge of making the decisions, right? They're going to decide if the repair that you need done is going to be covered or not. Here's the important part. You need to pick a really good dealer partner, okay? A lot of dealers will just tell you, factory won't cover it, there's nothing we can do. We don't do that at RV Wholesalers. What makes us different is we get in there and we fight for you. We call the factory. We have over a 25-year relationship with these people. We know most of them very well personally, and we're able to push and get things covered that other dealers can't get covered. So people say all the time, wish I'd known I had a factory warranty and not a dealer warranty, because I may not have bought from that dealer, right? And what they mean by that is, I didn't know they wouldn't help me. It's sort of like buying insurance. If you have a really good agent, they fight for you with the insurance company. If you have a bad agent, they just sit there and say, gee, there's nothing I can do about it. Same thing with dealers. So ask your dealer, what's going to happen? What's your process if the factory's not going to cover something for me under warranty? If they don't say we fight for you and explain how they do it, you may want to find a different dealer to work with or to buy from. What we do is real simple. We immediately contact the factory, push back and say, hey, this is something that needs to be covered. It isn't something that should be covered under their insurance. It isn't something that they did, right? So it isn't your fault, the consumer's fault. And then we start to explain how they need to cover it. We've gone as far on something that should have been covered. My brother actually drove over to Indiana one day and canceled 14 units in person with a factory until they covered something under warranty for a customer. So if you buy from RV Wholesalers, we will always have your back. We'll always fight for you, and we'll make sure everything that should be covered is covered. Thank you again for watching. Please check out our YouTube page. You can find a lot of other videos there that can tell you how to safely buy an RV, how to use your RV, explain warranties, things like that. And as always, give us a call.